That voicemail you sent your wife this morning? It wasn't just a message. It was the digital blueprint for your replacement, Tracy. That's how long it took artificial intelligence to capture your identity. You think you're safe because you're cautious. They are counting on that exact arrogance. In the next 3 minutes, you will see how your family's trust was turned into a weapon against you. But before I show you how to defend yourself, you need to see what happened to someone who thought exactly like you. Someone who ignored the exact warning I am about to give you. Consider the finance worker at a huge international company. He started his day just like you, a quick coffee, dropping the kids at school, the usual commute. He was tricked into transferring over $25 million. He received an email that seemed fishy, but his doubts disappeared when he joined a video call. On the screen, he saw his chief financial officer and other senior colleagues, all looking and sounding exactly as they should. Here is the part where you'll recognize your own routine. He was unlucky yesterday. You were lucky. Until now. Every single person on that call was a deepfake. Here's what. THEY. Hope you'll never find out. They don't need to hack your accounts. They just need to hack your trust. You'll public life that video from your last vacation. That audio from an Instagram story is zero material. It's like leaving your front door wide open, but the door is invisible to you. The solutions are not in software. They are in your habits. First, verify the urgent. If you get a frantic call for money, hang up. Call back on the number you know is theirs. Scammers use urgency to force mistakes. Slowing down is your best defense. Second, erase their ammunition. Open your settings right now and set your social media accounts to private. The less public data there is for a scammer to find, the harder it is for them to create a convincing fake. Finally, take a physical action. Create a family safe, a simple, memorable word that only your immediate family knows. If you get a call, ask for it. No safe word, no action. The criminals are betting you will panic. They are betting you won't take that one extra step to verify. Don't let them win. The shield is in your hands now. Protect your voice. Lock the digital door. Stay safe.